Comfort Mobility here. That's comfortmob.com. Here to show you how to disassemble and assemble your GoGo Elite Traveler. And by the way, this is the #1 selling scooter in the world. And some of the reasons why is Pride Mobility Products has a patent on their feather touch disassembly, which I can literally separate the frame with one hand, which I'll show you in a minute. It's also the most reliable scooters. You get more value for your dollar, many other reasons. Okay, to get started taking the scooter apart, the first thing you want to do is remove the front basket. And then you want to remove the seat. You take the back, fold it down, grab here in the center of the seat and lift straight up. When removing the battery, I like to utilize the seat post so it doesn't strain my back. So I can just lean over and do that. Lift the battery straight up. Next you want to do is lock the front wheel straight. The wheel has to be straight in order for it to lock properly. You take this knob and push it in and turn it to the right, which locks it. After that, this knob on the tiller, large knob, easy to turn. You turn it a couple times, lower the tiller, and then lock it back in. And then next is the feather touch disassembly, where I can separate the frame with one hand. You pull the lever straight up and up and out. The heaviest component is the front part, which is 29 pounds. You have 5 pieces, counting the front basket, which will fit in the trunk of the average size car. So reassembling the scooter, you would make sure that the rear is back in the receiving position. Now the front part of the scooter has these 2 hooks on it. So you want to make sure that those are even going over the bar. And when it's even, it clicks right in. If it doesn't click right in, you do not force it. The next thing we want to do is unlock the front wheel, loosen the tiller, lift that back up, retighten the tiller, and then put the battery in, which is also gravity fed. And then when I lift the seat, I like to grab it from the back and the front. That way I can see the seat post. And then lastly, the front basket. So that completes how to disassemble and assemble the GoGo Elite Traveler. So please check us out at comfortmob.com.